How can you subtract fractions with unlike denominators? If you know how to add fractions with unlike denominators, this will look familiar. Linda used 1/4 yard of the fabric she bought for a sewing project. How much fabric did she have left? You can tell that this is a subtraction problem because the problem asks how much fabric is left from the original length after some is used. Step 1. Find a common multiple of the denominators. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, and so on. The number 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. Write equivalent fractions with a denominator of 12 for 2/3 and 3/4. How does finding equivalent fractions help you subtract? When the fractions have a common denominator, the size of the parts will be the same.
You need the parts to be the same to subtract.
Step 2. Use the identity property to rename the fractions with a common denominator. 2/3 times 4/4 equals 8/12, and 1/4 times 3/3 equals 3/12. Why do you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number when writing equivalent fractions? This is the same as multiplying by 1, so the fractions keep the same value. Step 3. Subtract the numerators. What is the difference? 8/12 minus 3/12 is equal to 5/12. Linda has 5/12 yard of fabric left. How is subtracting fractions with common denominators similar to adding them? You subtract or add the numerators, but the denominators stay the same. Now you know how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators.